Botox, the day-by-day aftercare guide. In this video, we provide a detailed guide to the essential aftercare following Botox injections. Proper post-treatment care is crucial not only for maximizing the effects of Botox, but also for ensuring a smooth, complication-free recovery. Let's walk through what you can expect and how to care for your skin day by day after receiving Botox. Day 1. Immediate post-injection care. Immediately after your Botox injections, it is vital to avoid any activities that increase blood flow to the face, such as bending over, vigorous exercise, or exposure to heat, including saunas or hot showers. These activities could potentially cause the Botox to spread to muscles not targeted during the procedure, which might lead to unwanted effects. Keep your facial movements to a minimum and avoid touching or massaging the treated areas to allow the Botox to settle properly. Days 2 to 3. Monitoring and maintenance. During the first few days, you may start to notice some minor swelling or bruising at the injection sites. This is normal. To alleviate any discomfort, you can apply a cold compress gently to the affected areas. Continue to keep your skincare routine gentle and hydrating, avoiding products that contain irritating or exfoliating ingredients. It's also important to continue avoiding strenuous activities that could affect the results. Days 4 to 7. Settling and softening. By the end of the first week, any swelling or bruising should be resolved. You may begin to see the effects of the Botox. The treated muscles will start to relax, leading to a softening of wrinkles in the targeted areas. It's safe to gradually reintroduce your regular skincare and makeup routines, but keep in mind that gentle handling is still advisable. Week 2. Full effects and follow-up. 2 weeks after your treatment, the full effects of Botox should be visible. This is an ideal time for a follow-up visit to your provider. During this appointment, your provider can assess the outcome, address any concerns, and determine if any touch-ups are needed. This visit ensures that you are satisfied with the results and that the Botox is performing as expected. Ongoing skin care. To maintain the results of your Botox treatment, consider implementing a skincare routine that focuses on hydration and protection. Using a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily helps protect the skin from UV damage, which can accelerate aging and counteract the benefits of Botox. Additionally, scheduling regular follow-up treatments as recommended by your injector can help maintain the smooth, youthful appearance achieved with Botox. Proper aftercare is essential for achieving the best possible outcomes with Botox. By following these day-to-day guidelines, you can ensure a safe recovery and enjoy long-lasting results. For more detailed information on Botox aftercare and to tailor aftercare to your specific needs, book a consultation today with one of our experienced professionals to see how we can help you.